That's a non-Vvti injector. It's a Vvti injector.
Okay.
This one has an insulator on the bottom that looks like this. One's got an O-ring there. And it's got a big flat seal there, so they're very, very different in their sealing way. And this one's got air holes here. Tell me at the top, is the basket that's not in that one, is it the same size as this one?
Maybe.
Do you want me to get you another one?
No.
You're not going to get it out.
They're the same.
And I agree, they're the same. They measure up at 6mm. The injector basket's out, I just use a screw like this. That one there's no basket left. I might have used a screw that was too small. But normally they do pop out like so. And there are the same baskets fitted. I buy them in little bags like that.